Oh Lord. Alright, we got TAEMIN guilty. I already know this is gonna be a lot. This is gonna be a lot for me. This is gonna be a lot for you. Whoever's watching this reaction video. Hi, my name is JRE from the YouTube channel JREKML. I do reactions, reviews, skits. I'm everywhere from Instagram to Twitch to freaking TikTok to Discord. By the way, follow the Discord link in the description. Alright, TAEMIN guilty MV. I already know the whole wait, hold up. His whole album came out and there's one song that's called Riz. The album itself is him eating a pear with his lips, and you already know his lips be nice. The Rizness. There's the song called Guilty, which I'm gonna be checking out. There's the Rizness. If you do hear another voice, that is my girlfriend Hedgen. She loves me not over you, night away, and blue. Without further ado, let's check out TAEMIN's Guilty. What you guilty about? What you guilty about? I got the captions on. Yeah. Follow the Discord link in the description. Play my intro. Alright, TAEMIN guilty MV, captions on 4K. You already know because I want to see all them pores. I want to see all them sexiness. I don't know. Low-key, I heard the first part of this and it already looks like it's gonna kill me. So, without further ado, 3, 2, 1, bop. This. Oh. Looks like my room with all the clothes on the floor. Poison apple. God damn it, TAEMIN. Ooh, okay. I like the strings in here too. Oh. Make you addicted. You can't tell pain from love. Whoa, that sounds toxic. Oh. Hey man, put some respect on TAEMIN's name. Hey man, he killing it right now. Damn. No. I already see some of my dancer friends already doing this, and they better fucking riz the shit out of me. Talking to you, Johnny. Look at this shot. Who told him? Who told him to do this shot? Oh hell no. Ooh. Just the way that TAEMIN dances, it's so like, it's an art form obviously, like, but it's just when he does it, it hits different to me. Especially these shots that are like wide. Oh, is he in a mental institute? I just realized. Or like some type of. What the hell did you just rap? Ooh. I know I know one of my moderators in my Discord and Twitch is gonna die. Her name's Tifa. I think she has a reaction out too. You gotta go check her out. The whispering. No. That move right there. Ooh, even the dancers in the back. Oh, they hot as hell. See, I can't do that. Maybe Hedgen could do that. I don't got abs. Like the whole into the shirt going like this. Oh, he diving in. Is he in like a? Is it like a? Where are they? Is it a hostel? Whoa! Like, yo, everybody is doing interpretive dance. Oh, inhaler. Is he in a school? What? Oh, this may be one. Oh. Every time. That's fire. I'm not gonna lie. That's dope. Just the way he presents the music through his body is kind of iconic. I'm trying to find a word. Oh shit. Ooh. Wow. I mean, for a song that's called Guilty, I think he fulfilled that name. I'm not gonna lie. Like, what did you do? Did you burn the whole place? Maybe. Well, hold up. This is why he's TAEMIN. This is why TAEMIN's TAEMIN. And then there's only gonna be one TAEMIN, right? Do you agree? Hold up. Let me run it back one more time. Cause, okay, so there's a bunch of clothes around him. It could be other people's clothes. Did you get rid of people? Poison apple. Spellbound, you want to take a bite? Ooh. The way he just dances around this abandoned building, it's obviously from the past. Unlocking memories. Like this has to be a memory. Oh wait, who is that? It does remind. She looks familiar, but she has like short hair. This part is one of my favorite parts right here. That shot is kind of creepy. While he's just seems like it's. Is that choreographed or is that like literally? That part's crazy. No, hold up. He teasing the lips. And I know his fingers grazed his nipple. I'm just letting you know. Trick and take everything from you. Again, just play the game all for fun. Punches and lies. Shit. Guilty. He's spelling out guilty. My words taking you for a spin. While somebody's trying to control him. It seems that's why it looks like. Wait, who's gonna punish? Who's gonna punish me? Loving you is a crime. I love these slide shots with the coloring. Wow. Bruh. TAEMIN just proven to me why he TAEMIN. Why he's him. To me. And I'm very curious to hear the album now. If this is like the... Oh. Woo! God damn. Was that TAEMIN like right here coming crawling, like handstand crawling, or is it like two dancers? It might be two dancers. Shout out to the dancers, by the way. They're killing that shit. Everyone in this music video. I want you to lose yourself. That will make our love easy. Just doing things my own way. I love the production in this whole song. It's so dramatic, and that's the word. Oh my god, that's whoa. Every time. I love the dramatics of this. Like it's so extra, in a good way. From the production of the instrument that's being used, to his dancing, to the lyrics, to the story. To the dancers. I'm very curious. Obviously there's it's like my second time running through it, so I'm not gonna know everything. So if you guys could help me about like what this is all about fully, because I'm probably gonna take this in, like I'm finally gonna understand like while editing it, because that's when I like kind of review it the most. But just off of visual and the sound, it's what I wanted. I mean, I love the dramatics in like K-pop. Like when people get like very dramatic and theatrical. That's another word, theatrical. It 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 satisfies me. Oh damn, guilty. TAEMIN, from the coloring of the color correction, from the cinematics, from his dancing to his vocal, to the dances around him, definitely puts you in his world, which I do enjoy. And it kind of takes me away from reality a bit and just put my whole feeling into the music video, which I do like. And that's why I like from TAEMIN ever since like he started doing solo stuff. And of course the iconic move. It's really dope and interesting to watch him grow as a solo artist and see what he takes on or what he does. And I saw that clip of TAEMIN shouting out DPR Ian. Shout out, that was fire. If they ever do a collab, I would love it. Especially after this. I don't know. They will create, I think that ish will create some, they will create some crazy ish, some lore, and it's gonna be, it'll be hella dramatic and theatrical, I feel, as well. So I'm gonna put that manifestation, I'm gonna put that into the world. I would love to see it. I would love to see it. Maybe it has to be a music video. Anyways, I'm gonna go check out TAEMIN's 4th mini album. I'm probably gonna get the physical because it is TAEMIN, the TAEMIN. Yeah, put a comment down below what you guys think, guys. Please if you do have like any like theories, some lore aspect that I haven't even covered or talked about, please share it. I would love to learn it as well. And yeah, comment in the comment section down below. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. Keep on dreaming, dreamers, dream, believe, do, repeat. If you have a dream out there, put some hard work to it. It might just come true. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.